What's up, guys? So tonight's video is going to be this Veto Pro Pack TPXL, and this is going to be my new bag. We'll dive into it, look at the features together, and check out what Veto is offering. I know this isn't a new pack, but it's new to me, and I can't wait to load it up within the next few days. So let's check this thing out. So I've been eyeing this Veto Pro Pack up for a while, probably like a year now, and decided to finally pull the trigger. I just like the size of it and everything. What it does have, key features: 23 internal pockets, 7 external pockets, backside tablet pocket, magnetic screw catcher, hang-up hook, over-molded rubber grip, padded shoulder strap, YKK zippers, polypropylene plastic base for moisture abrasion protection, and a 5-year warranty. I read that all off of a card. So again, they have just such a nice base on these. You can set them down in any condition. If you ever worked maintenance, odds are you've been into a flooded room where you gotta fix the issue and the bag goes down. You don't really have to worry about much. So basically, one thing I do find a little strange about this is it velcros down, and then you have zippers on both sides here. Now, Veto is smarter than I, and it does have that nice to-go handle with the big rubber grip on it. Veto is smarter than I, so I'm sure it just allows for more roomage in there. But on the side here, looks like we got a tape hook for the shoulder strap. You got another hook to go on. You got one pocket, two pocket, little small one there. This is something you can clip on to there. The back for a tablet or something in there. Has some sort of strap. Okay. Maybe I don't know. That's a little bit over my maintenance head, But you got nice Velcro in the back to close it up, and you got a little loop hook thing there. Again, you got the shoulder strap hook, another hook here, another something to clip something on, and another 2 pockets on the outside. On the front, you got this metal thing. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Let's open this up here. Again, you got a nice big flap, and in the flap, you have a see-through pocket here. Here's that magnet. Sorry, that's out of screen, but there's the magnet. Here's the pocket. It's a see-through. You can see my hand in there, which is nice. So when you store stuff up there, you know exactly what you got. And looking inside this thing, it comes with a nice little, another for tape and stuff, for plumber's tape. And there you got the pockets. So you got 4 smaller ones up top. You got 2 deep ones on the side here. They go down to the bottom. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Then you got 3, 4 down here. Then you got some loop hooks over here for bits or whatever. And same on this side for bits, which I never utilize that, or maybe a screwdriver or something. Then you have a pocket up here. And then this was cool. You have a hook that comes up so you can hang your bag, from somewhere. That's nice. But it doesn't really interfere with this pocket, but when you go to hang something up, I don't know what that will do, because it has its own pocket back there to go into, which is well thought out. So overall, pretty spacious. I think, we have another pocket right here with some nice Velcro on those. Put some bits or whatever in there. Jeez, this guy is just, I'm tired. Anyways, looks like a great little bag. I think I might try to break down my big bag into this little one. Just seems more convenient. But Veto makes great stuff. I might not be done buying Veto. There's probably more in the pipe for me. But, the one thing I like about Veto, and even though my other bag slightly overloaded, but when you're building maintenance or apartment maintenance, you do so many different things that it's hard not to overload a bag. This, a little smaller, smaller you get, the better off you are, because then you won't overload it. And you always probably have some, power tool bag that you load up also with a bunch of stuff when you're doing work orders or whatnot. But this is a nice bag. The quality's great. The stitching's great. The straps are robust. Just, what else can you ask for? Anyways, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching me and joining me tonight. Been having a lot of fun making these videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.